morning students. Today we will discuss order of an element of a group. Let G be a multiplicative group with identity element E. Then for A belonging to G, if there exists a least positive integer m such that A raised to the power m equal to identity, then m is called the order of element A and we write it as order of A equal to m. If G is a group with respect to addition, then we check MA. If MA equal to identity, then order of A equal to M. If there exists no such positive integer m such that A raised to the power m equal to identity, or in additive group MA equal to identity, then order of A is either infinite or 0. Let us solve some examples. First example, if G is equal to a set 1 omega omega square, then find the order of elements of G under the binary operation multiplication. Let us solve this. We have already proved that G is a group with respect to multiplication. Last video में हमने prove किया था this is a group with respect to multiplication. Now we know that in this group identity element is 1. Therefore order of 1 is 1. Identity element का order हमेशा 1 होता है. Now ओमेगा की पावर लेंगे हम 1. ओमेगा की पावर 1 इक्वल टू ओमेगा. ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा स्क्वायर एंड ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1. Therefore ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1. Therefore order of ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू 3. क्योंकि ओमेगा की पावर 3 करने पे हमारा 1 आ रहा है, इसका मतलब ओमेगा का ऑर्डर क्या होगा हमारा 3. नाउ वी चेक ऑर्डर ऑफ ओमेगा स्क्वायर. वी नो दैट ओमेगा स्क्वायर की पावर 1 क्या हो जाएगी हमारे पास ओमेगा स्क्वायर. ओमेगा स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा ओमेगा 4 विच इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा. नाउ ओमेगा स्क्वायर की पावर 3 लेंगे हम तो हमारे पास हो जाएगा ओमेगा 6. दिस इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा क्यूब, इसका स्क्वायर. दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 स्क्वायर. दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 which is the identity. Therefore order of omega square is equal to 3. Hence we have order of 1 is equal to 1, order of omega equal to 3 and order of omega square is equal to 3. Miss order निकालने के लिए हमें क्या है, हमें पावर्स चेक करनी है. जो भी हमारा लिस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आएगा इक्वल टू लिस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर पावर आएगी वो हमारा क्या आएगी ऑर्डर ऑफ एलिमेंट. Now we solve second example. Find the order of each element of multiplicative group 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. In this group we know that identity is equal to 1. Therefore order of 1 is equal to 1. Now minus 1 raised to the power 1 कितना हो गया minus 1. Minus 1 square is equal to 1. Therefore order of minus 1 क्या हो गया, क्योंकि माइनस 1 की पावर 2 करने पे हमारे पास 1 यानी कि आइडेंटिटी आ रहा है. देयरफॉर माइनस 1 का ऑर्डर हो गया हमारे पास 2. नाउ आयोटा, आयोटा की पावर 1 क्या होगा आयोटा. आयोटा स्क्वायर हमारे पास होता है माइनस 1. आयोटा क्यूब इक्वल टू माइनस आयोटा एंड आयोटा टू द पावर 4 इज इक्वल टू 1. देयरफॉर ऑर्डर ऑफ आयोटा क्या हो गया हमारे पास 4. सिमिलरली माइनस आयोटा raised to the power 1 equal to minus iota. Minus iota square equal to minus 1. Minus iota cube is equal to iota. And minus iota to the power 4 is equal to 1. Therefore order of minus iota is equal to 4. Hence we have find all the order of elements. Now we give example number 3. Let G is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with operation addition modulo 6. Then we have to find the order of each elements of the group under this operation. Let's solve this. We know that in this group identity element is 0. Last video में हमने solve किया था this is a group with identity element 0. Therefore identity is 0. Therefore order of 0 is equal to 1. Identity का order हमेशा क्या होता है 1. Now we check order of 1. अब हमें 1 का ऑर्डर चेक करना है. अब 1 को 1 टाइम लिखेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 1. नाउ 1 स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 को हमें 2 टाइम ऑपरेट करना है, मीन्स 1 एडिशन मॉडुलो 6 1 क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, 1 और 1 ऐड करेंगे 2, 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे रिमाइंडर आया 2, हमारे पास आइडेंटिटी क्या है 0, तो ये 0 नहीं आया, मीन्स 1 का ऑर्डर 2 नहीं है। अब हम चेक करते हैं 1 रेज़ टू द पावर 3 मीन्स 1 को हमें ऑपरेट करना है 3 बार अंडर एडिशन मॉडुलो 6। अब हम 1 को 3 बार ऑपरेट करेंगे, देन 1 + 1 + 1 कितना हो गया 3, 3 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा 3, then this is again not identity, therefore order of 1 is not 3. Similarly हम चेक करेंगे 1 to the power 4, similarly we will check 1 to the power 5, at last 1 to the power 6 means 1 को हमें 6 टाइम ऑपरेट करना है, then this is equal to 0। क्यों? क्योंकि हम 1 को 6 बार ऐड करेंगे 6 आएगा, 6 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे रिमाइंडर आएगा हमारा 0, this is equal to 0, therefore order of 1 is equal to 6। Similarly we check order of 2, 2 raised to the power 1 equal to 2। now 2 square का मतलब क्या है, 2 को हमें 2 बार ऑपरेट करना है अंडर ऑपरेशन मॉडुलो 6 एडिशन मॉडुलो 6, देन 2 + 2 4, उसको हम 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे क्या आएगा 4 आएगा, therefore order of 2 is not 2। now 2 की पावर 3 मीन्स 2 को हमें 2 पे हमें 3 बार ऑपरेशन 2 3 बार ऑपरेट होएगा अंडर दिस ऑपरेशन, therefore this is equal to 0 which is equal to identity, therefore order of 2 equal to 3। similarly order of 3, 3 raised to the power 1 3, 3 square का मतलब 3 एडिशन मॉडुलो 6 3 which is equal to 0, therefore order of 3 2। similarly we will check for 4 5 and we get the result, order of 5 is 6। Now we do next example. The order of elements A and x inverse AX are same where AX are the two elements of group G। मीन्स हमें क्या शो करना है, कोई भी एलिमेंट A है हमारे पास G का और एक एलिमेंट हम लेते हैं x इनवर्स AX, तो दोनों का ऑर्डर हमारे पास क्या आएगा सेम होगा। लेट्स सॉल्व दिस। फर्स्ट लेट ऑर्डर ऑफ A इक्वल टू n एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ x इनवर्स AX इज इक्वल टू m। पहले हम ये केस चेक करते हैं कि A और x इनवर्स AX का ऑर्डर फाइनाइट है और हमने मान लिया ऑर्डर ऑफ A n मान लिया और ऑर्डर ऑफ x इनवर्स AX हमने क्या मान लिया m। अब हम शो करेंगे n इज इक्वल टू m। नाउ x इनवर्स AX का स्क्वायर चेक करते हैं, दिस इज इक्वल टू x इनवर्स AX इंटू x इनवर्स AX, दिस इज इक्वल टू x इनवर्स AX इंटू x इनवर्स AX, एसोसिएटिविटी अप्लाई कर दी हमने। अब x इंटू x इनवर्स हमारे पास क्या आ गया आइडेंटिटी। नाउ a इंटू आइडेंटिटी a इंटू a क्या हो गया a स्क्वायर, दिस इज इक्वल टू x इनवर्स a स्क्वायर x। प्रोसीडिंग लाइक दिस वी शैल गेट x इनवर्स ax होल टू द पावर n इक्वल टू x इनवर्स a रेज टू द पावर n इंटू x विच इज इक्वल टू x इनवर्स इंटू आइडेंटिटी इंटू x विच इज इक्वल टू x इनवर्स x इंटू x विच इज इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी। क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास a रेज टू द पावर n क्या होगा आइडेंटिटी, क्योंकि ऑर्डर ऑफ a हमें क्या गिवन है n। दिस इंप्लाइज x इनवर्स ax होल टू द पावर n इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी। इसका क्या मतलब है कि ऑर्डर ऑफ x इनवर्स ax या तो n होगा या n से लेस होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी पावर n हमारी आइडेंटिटी आ रही है, तो हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि इसका ऑर्डर n है, क्योंकि इससे लेस पॉजिटिव इंटीजर भी इसका ऑर्डर हो सकता है। Therefore, order of x inverse ax less than equal to n, or we can say that m is less than equal to n. Equation number 1. Now, since order of x inverse ax is equal to m, therefore x inverse ax whole to the power m equal to identity. Proceeding like above, we get x inverse a raised to the power m into x is equal to identity. Now, pre-multiplying both side by x and post-multiplying both side by x inverse, we get this is identity, this is also identity, and this is x inverse, and e in identity into x is equal to x. This is x inverse into x. This implies a raised to the power m equal to identity. This implies order of a less than equal to m. अब order of a है क्या n. This implies n is less than equal to m. Equation number 2. Then by 1 and 2, m is equal to n. Therefore, order of a and order of x inverse ax are same. Now case 2. Let order of A infinite. Then order of x inverse ax should be also infinite. We have to show that. Let, if possible, order of x inverse ax is equal to finite and is equal to m. Then order of x inverse ax is equal to m implies x inverse ax whole to the power m is equal to identity. Then this is equal to x inverse a raised to the power m, x is equal to identity. Now multiplying, pre-multiplying both sides by x and post-multiplying by x inverse both sides, we get a raised to the power m is equal to identity. This implies order of a less than equal to m, which is a contradiction because order of a is infinite. Therefore, our position is wrong and order of x inverse ax is also infinite. Hence, a and x inverse ax are of same order. Now, we do next example. If G is a group with respect to multiplication and A, B are elements of G, then order of AB and BA are same. हमें शो करना है कि एलिमेंट AB का और एलिमेंट BA का ऑर्डर जो होगा वो सेम होगा. Let's solve this. We have given that AB belongs to G. This implies A into B also belongs to G by closure property. And AB and x inverse ABX are of same order by above theorem. A की जगह हम AB एलिमेंट ले लेते हैं. Then AB and x inverse ABX दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम होगा above theorem से. Therefore, order of AB is equal to order of x inverse ABX. Let x is equal to A. Because this theorem is proved for all x belongs to G, so we can take x is equal to A. Then put x is equal to A in above result. Then order of AB is equal to order of A inverse AB into A. This implies order of AB equal to order of identity into BA. This implies order of AB is equal to order of BA. These are the remarks. In any group, the identity element is the only element of order 1. Second remark, if G is a group with respect to addition and if there exists a least positive integer m such that for A belongs to G, m is equal to identity, then order of A is equal to m. Now we discuss some results on order of an element. First one is the order of every element of a finite group is finite and is less than or equal to the order of the group. Let's solve this. Let G be a multiplicative group which is finite and A be any element of G. Then A square, A cube, A4 all are the elements of G by closure property. Now since G is finite, therefore A square, A cube and so on are not all distinct. Let A raised to the power m equal to A raised to the power n for some mn. Therefore, A raised to the power m minus n is equal to A0 is equal to 1 identity. This implies A raised to the power r is equal to identity where r is equal to m minus n. Thus, there exists a positive integer r such that A raised to the power r is equal to identity. Therefore, order of A less than is equal to r. Means A का order या तो r होगा या r से less होगा. This implies order of A is finite. Means ये तो clear है कि order of A हमारा finite है. Let order of A is equal to n. Then A square, A cube up to so on A raised to the power n are all and distinct elements of G. Now we shall show that order of A is less than equal to order of G. If possible, let us suppose that order of A is greater than order of G. Then order of A हमने माना n. Then n is greater than order of G. इसका मतलब क्या है? Number of elements in G are less than n, which is a contradiction because A square up to so on A raised to the power n are n distinct element of G. Therefore, order of G cannot be less than n. Hence, our position is wrong. Therefore, order of A is less than equal to order of G. Hence, the result. Now, we prove second result. the order of an element of a group is same as that of its inverse. Means किसी भी एलिमेंट का ऑर्डर और उसके इनवर्स का ऑर्डर सेम होगा. लेट्स सॉल्व दिस. हम फर्स्ट केस लेते हैं. लेट ऑर्डर ऑफ ए बी फाइनाइट एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू n एंड वी हैव टू शो दैट ऑर्डर ऑफ ए इनवर्स इज आल्सो n. नाउ ऑर्डर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू n, देयरफॉर a raised to the power n is equal to identity, or we can write it as a into a up to so on n times is equal to identity. Now taking inverse both sides, we get a into a whole inverse is equal to identity inverse, which is equal to identity. This implies a inverse into a inverse up to so on n times a inverse is equal to identity. This implies a inverse whole to the power n is equal to identity. This implies order of a inverse is less than equal to n. मीन्स a इनवर्स की पावर n हमारी आइडेंटिटी आ गई. इसका मतलब a इनवर्स का ऑर्डर या तो n होगा या n से लेस होगा. देन लेट ऑर्डर ऑफ a इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू m. देन m इज लेस देन इक्वल टू n. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ ऑर्डर ऑफ a इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू m, देयरफॉर a इनवर्स whole to the power m equal to identity, or we can write it as a inverse into a inverse into a inverse up to m times is equal to identity. Now taking inverse both sides, we get this one. This implies a into by inverse property is equal to identity. This implies a whole to the power m equal to identity. This implies order of a less than equal to m, but order of a equal to n. This implies n is less than equal to m. Now equation number 1 and 2 we have m is equal to n. Thus order of a equal to order of a inverse in infinite case. Now we prove second case. If order of a is infinite, let if possible order of a inverse is finite and is equal to m. Then a inverse whole to the power m क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास identity. This implies a to the power m inverse is equal to identity. This implies taking inverse both sides, we get a to the power m equal to identity inverse equal to identity. This implies order of a less than equal to m. This implies order of a finite, but this is a contradiction as we have take order of a infinite. This implies order of a inverse is also infinite. Thus order of a equal to order of a inverse in both cases. Hence proved. Now we prove third result. If the element a of a group G is of order n, then a to the power m equal to identity if and only if n is divisor of n. Means अगर a का order n है, then a to the power m identity तभी हो सकती है अगर n is divisor of m. n m का divisor है. Let's solve this. Let order of a, हमें इफ एंड ओनली इफ केस करना है, मीन्स दोनों पार्ट करने हैं. कन्वर्स पार्ट भी प्रूव करके दिखाना है इसका. उसके लिए लेट फर्स्ट वी टेक ऑर्डर ऑफ ए इक्वल टू n एंड n इज डिवाइजर ऑफ m. देन वी हैव टू शो दैट a to the power m equal to identity. Now since order of a equal to n, therefore a to the power n equal to identity. Now since n is divisor of m, therefore there exists an integer q such that m equal to n q. क्यों? क्योंकि n m का डिवाइजर है, therefore m क्या होगा n into some integer. Now a to the power m क्या हो गया हमारे पास? This is equal to a to the power n q, which is equal to a to the power n to the power q, which is equal to identity की power q. This is equal to identity. This implies a to the power m is equal to identity. Hence proved. Now we prove converse part. For this, let order of a equal to n and a to the power m equal to identity. And we have to prove that n is divisor of m. Since m and n are integers, therefore by division algorithm we can write m is equal to n q plus r, where q is quotient and r is remainder, and r lies between 0 and n. Now a to the power m क्या होगा हमारे पास? This is equal to a to the power n q plus r, which is equal to a की power n q into a की power r, which is equal to a की power n whole to the power q into a to the power r, which is equal to identity की power q into a to the power r, which is equal to a to the power r. This implies a to the power m equal to a to the power r. This implies a to the power r is equal to identity because a to the power m is given to be identity. This is possible only when r is equal to 0. क्यों? क्योंकि r हमारा क्या है, n से छोटा है और ऑर्डर ऑफ ए n के इक्वल है, तो इसका मतलब n से कोई भी छोटी वैल्यू हमारी a का ऑर्डर नहीं हो सकती. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, r को क्या होना पड़ेगा, 0. दिस इंप्लाइज m इज इक्वल टू n क्या हो, अब m n इंटू q है, देयरफॉर n इज डिवाइजर ऑफ m. थैंक यू.